What is the correct past tense of go? Option C, went. What is the plural form of child? Option D, children. Which sentence is correct? Option B, she goes to school every day. He dashed a book yesterday. Option A, read, he read a book yesterday. What is the plural form of tooth? Option B, teeth. Which sentence is grammatically correct? Option C, he doesn't like coffee. They dashed their homework last night. Option B, did, they did their homework last night. Which conjunction is used correctly? Option A, I was tired, but I went to the gym. What is the superlative form of fast? Option B, fastest. She adopted dash adorable puppy. Option B, and she adopted an adorable puppy. The book is dash the table. Option D, on, the book is on the table. What is the comparative form of good? Option C, better. Which of the following is a collective noun? Option B, flock. The cat is sleeping dash the table. Option A, under, the cat is sleeping under the table. Which sentence is in passive voice? Option B, a delicious meal was cooked by the chef. What is the past participle of write? Option C, written. Which sentence contains a conjunction? Option B, I like tea but not coffee. She dash speak 3 languages. Option A, can, she can speak 3 languages. Choose the correct sentence. Option B, I am going home. Which sentence is in the present perfect tense? Option A, I have completed my assignment.